Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today's video is a little bit different just because of the whole coronavirus outbreak and how it's affecting our lives. So I wanted to take a step back and talk about the coronavirus because it is something very important in life, and this period I feel like is just getting started. So I really wanted to take a moment and talk about it and how it can affect you, but also how to stay strong during this really hard time. So first of all, technology is incredibly important right now. The option to have information immediately accessible and right there at your fingertips is so valuable. Online websites like the CNN or New York Times really gives that information pretty quickly, or even other websites that give live updating on the coronavirus and the outbreaks and the number of cases. It's pretty crazy that we can see the exact number or even rough number of how many outbreaks there are, where these outbreaks are located. So having that information is really important. At the same time, it can be a little bit scary just seeing how many outbreaks there are, and you kind of might feel a little bit overwhelmed. But this information is supposed to bring awareness and to show that, wow, these outbreaks are really occurring everywhere, and it's supposed to help you out. Other resources could be, the CDC or the WHO, which are really meant for kind of governing this whole situation and how to avoid and prevent, people, either yourself or other people around you, to get coronavirus. So those are two great, reliable sources that I'd recommend checking out if you get the chance or have the opportunity to. Activities during this really tough time can be a little bit hard. You might feel bored. I know sometimes I feel bored, just kind of being in a confined space or not doing as much and not having the availability or luxury to go outside is a little bit hard at times. For me, I've been watching a lot of TV, like cable or Netflix or Hulu or really just anything. I think it's a great time to do that. You can even go on YouTube or watch something educational to get some more information, to learn about pretty much anything. That's another cool thing about technology, is that you can really ultimately learn anything through YouTube or really through anything or any website. So I think that's very important to do, to educate yourself, as well as to be present in the moment. I think is important. I know right now for me it's a little bit hard to not be in college, and I feel like that time is kind of taken away from me, but also at the same time I look at it as, I get to spend more time with my family, or like get to see my dog, stuff like that. So I think that's important to value right now. That could either be just, talking to your friends or family, as well as cooking or doing games, movies, I don't really know, anything along those lines. You can even be as creative as possible, as well as making sure you keep those connections with other friends that you might not be able to see for a little bit. So either FaceTiming them, texting them, just keeping up to date, and to not really be so down and kind of alone and confine yourself, but also to go about everyday life as, regular and as normal as you can, I think is important. So that's just a little bit of kind of information or just tips and tricks on how to handle this tough situation. I'd love to hear, what you all have been doing, getting through this hard time. It can be a little bit difficult, but I think, through everyone connecting with everyone, we can get through this together. So I'm really kind of feeling positive about it, but at the same time, it is tough. So please let me know what you all have been doing. I'd be really interested, and thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.